Here we are in the steep steps again. I'm breathing pretty heavy. This isn't flat. I don't know. If I can get a view that gives it justice. But it's all uphill. I get some cardio coming up here and hiking through the trails. It's not all like this. As you can see how steep it is. Probably get a better appreciation for the steepness now. And we'll come up. Now I'll stop for probably 10-20 seconds a couple times. So I'm pretty fresh now. That's why I'm moving so quick. Here we go. I know I got the camera on this angle here. I don't have it widthways. There's a little fire pit here with rocks going around, and someone took it out. They should have left it there. They say there's no fires allowed on the trail, but people are going to have the fires anyway. That's the thing. They're going to have the fires, so you're taking away the rocks. They're going to have them. And then there's not going to be nothing around the fire to contain it. So it's stupid. These are all the blueberry bushes. I feel kind of a little bit guilty. I feel a bit bad. There's still some berries on them. Maybe I'll come up tomorrow and pick them. I'll get up early, and because they're falling off, and or the gulls are eating the blueberries, seagulls, and the gulls must be eating them because I don't see many on the ground. You'd see blueberries that are dropped off, but they're not. You don't see them there. Maybe some people picked them. We'll just coming through here. After you stop for I just had a rest a short amount of time. My breathing is back under control, and it's all good. It's gonna get dark soon, so I'm only gonna go up this far because I gotta walk back down. It's a steep embankment and cliff, so I'm not gonna be going down the dark. Get home while it's still daylight. This is where I shoot some relaxation videos. I just shoot just a flowing little stream. I'm gonna do it live, and it's all an hour of natural sound, no loops. Look at that. These mushrooms are coming up. So, yeah. I know the video is not very well shot. It's just me with my camera shooting some things that I see. There's my dog again. It's not even a landscape. Lots of windfalls here. You can use those and burn them. And this stream is really, it's quite a lot of sound from it, especially on a quiet day like today. You wouldn't believe it. You come up, you probably get within 30, 40 feet of it, and you can just hear that flowing. It sounds so loud, you know, and it's so quiet. You can hear it. You get right next to it, and you can't really hear many footsteps once you're right next to it. It sort of drowns everything out. It's just one little stream. It's another one over here. It's a lot more as you go down. I don't know if it's great water to drink. I don't think it is. I think you could drink it. I don't think it would kill you, but I don't think it's the best in the world. My dog is barking at some rabbits now. But yeah, it's all kinds of windfalls here. Just a tangled mess. You can cut it and burn it, but it's hard. It's hard to cut. It's all tangled and cut into each other. But I do it. I do it to clean up the woods. I do it to use trees that are already dead, not to kill the other ones. I don't clear cut the forest by any means, like some people. But I'll be up here for a little bit. Maybe I'll do a few circle walks, and then I'll head back down. And I might come back up there in that area further back in the woods. His trails there. I might ride my quad up there and have a look around and see what's going on the land. See if there's anybody up around the area where I go. And so I have some wood up there and stuff, so I'll just check on the stuff. See if people are up taking my wood or snooping around or doing something that's not good. Well, this is it. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you soon.